Hi there, students. To gleam, a gleam, a countable noun. If something gleams, it shines. It shines quite brightly, or it reflects the light. Okay, so he polished the silver until it gleamed, until it shone brightly. The sun gleamed on the beach. It shone brightly and strongly on the beach. Now, I think yesterday or the other day I made a video about glint, and I think if something glints, it's just a small reflection, whereas if something gleams, it shines more brightly. And I think you can use these two words. For example, there was a gleam in his eye when he thought about the possibility of making a lot of money. There was a glint in his eye. I think a gleam has more an idea of happiness and shining brightly, whereas glint is just a quick reflection. Okay, so he polished the wood until it gleamed. Yeah, to shine brightly, but especially with reflected light. Okay, the light gleamed on the white porcelain. Yeah, it gleamed. It shone brightly. Yeah, a smooth surface that is reflecting light because it's well polished. I guess if your eyes gleam, affection gleamed in her beautiful eyes. I think that something can gleam in your eyes, but this is happiness and glow and maybe love, or this is a good feeling. A glint, there was a glint of naughtiness in the way he looked at me. Okay, so to gleam, yeah. A small bright light. I could see the gleam of a match in the darkness, so it's shining. I think a glint would just be much more sudden, whereas the gleam is longer. You can also use this phrase, a gleam of hope or a glint of hope. I think if there's a gleam of hope, there's probably more hope than if there's just a glint. I get the feeling that a glint is smaller. Okay, so to gleam, to shine with bright reflected light. A surface gleams because it's clean and shiny. Yeah. I washed my hair and it gleamed. Well, not anymore, but okay. Or a gleaming new car. Yeah, it's gleaming. It's shining. The light reflected from something. Yeah, the light gleamed off the river. I could see the full moon gleaming. I could see a glint of the moon in the distance. Yeah, so this gleam is much stronger. Okay, so to gleam, a sign of something. There's a gleam of hope, a gleam of optimism. Yeah, a little sign of it, a hint of it. There was a gleam of positivism among the group when we started to see light at the end of the tunnel. I think a glint of hope is much more distant and much more unlikely. So, to gleam, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I would say that you can use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, there's an Old English word gleam, meaning to gleam, from Proto-Germanic glamiz, brightness or splendour, from Proto-Indo-European glay, to shine. So, if you study English, you will write a gleamingly interesting essay. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.